So I'm calling this year a light year when it comes to gardening. And I don't mean a light year like traveling at the speed of light. I mean, I'm gonna have kind of a less intensive year where I go lighter. Not gonna start everything from seed. Just probably downsize the garden a bit, and I'm not gonna feel like it's a failure if I don't go out and just go crazy and try to do everything. Probably gonna buy the tomato plants at the garden center. Maybe cucumbers I'll do from seed. But any of you that have been gardening for a while now know that gardening's not always something that you just do right away. For example, last year, my biggest thing that I wanted to do in prep for this year was getting my hugelkultur in. So that took literally up until like the end of fall. And anyone that's been gardening for a while knows that gardening is something that you always strive to do better the next year. And that's kind of how it is for me. So basically, you do things one year, you realize, oh, geez, I could have done this better. I could have done that better. You know, oh, next year I want to do this. Next year I want to do this better. I want to have these collard greens come out better, the Swiss chard, or I'm going to do this with the soil. And that's kind of where I'm at. So it's like kind of a unique place where I'm not planning on going as big in the garden, but I'm planning on being more precise. And if some of that means not trying to start a million different seeds in the greenhouse and make a huge mess and all that where I'm not really set up right now, then that's okay. So I wanted to know what your garden setups are looking like this year and what challenges you may face, what obstacles you've overcome. I'm really excited about the hugelkultur this year. I got 15 yards of cow manure brought in, bunch of rotting trees I put down on the bottom, got a big load of wood chips, hay and all that. So I'm ready to go with that. And I'm hoping that's kind of like my prized possession this year. So I'm just doing this YouTube video to throw it out there. It's not scripted, it's just off the cuff this morning. I just, wanted to give people some hope that may be feeling behind, like they can't do it. So if it's got to be a light year for you where you just kind of wing it, that's okay. You can still grow some great stuff, and maybe you'll learn, well, you definitely will learn something new, because you always do. That's what gardening's all about. It's not supposed to be stressful, it's supposed to be peaceful. So keep it peaceful, always be planting, and comment below on what you're doing this year for your garden. Thanks a lot, folks.